Okay guys, so today I will be making cinnamon roll cobbler. Easy, quick, something you can fix for the holiday. You got it. So let's go ahead and get into these ingredients. So we are going to use some peaches. Now, I went ahead and did the peach chunks instead of the big peaches where you have to cut them up in half. I did it that way, okay? We have ground cinnamon. I have 2 cans of cinnamon rolls. Now, in the can of cinnamon rolls everybody knows comes the icing. We're gonna show you what we're gonna do with that. I got vanilla, we got butter, brown sugar, and cornstarch. I got my oven set to 350, and let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna cut these cinnamon rolls up in half, and we're gonna do some baking and eating today. Okay, come back. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start adding our peaches. Now one thing I did, if you don't want it soupy, do not add a lot of juice. So I already took some of the juice and poured it out. Add our other ingredients, and if it gets too soupy for you, you still want to take some more out, okay? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add our vanilla. Let's add the ingredients. And watch out how much vanilla you put in as well. Put the seasoning to your liking. Now, what happens is a little bit of the cornstarch will thicken it. We're gonna use brown sugar. Get that stirred up. And we're gonna add a couple of teaspoons of cornstarch to thicken it. Okay. Okay, so with the cinnamon rolls, you want to cut them so that you can make little dumplings with them, okay? So you take them apart. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut some more for you guys. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna start layering for it to be able to go in the oven, okay? So you wanna go ahead, see I cut them all up, a little dumpling pieces. We're gonna go ahead and layer the bottom. So we can have some at the bottom. And then you want to go ahead and start putting your peaches in. Now remember, if you don't want it real soupy, don't make it soupy. Okay. Want to continue with the process. This smells good, guys. I smell that cinnamon, 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 cinnamon. Yum, 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 yum. Let's add some more peaches here. So it should look something like this. Your little dumplings and peaches. Now what we're going to do is I am going to add some butter. A little bit more cinnamon. And it's going to go in the oven for about a good 15 minutes, and I'll come back and tell you the process and how long. Okay, let's go ahead and get this in the oven. Okay guys, so I let it cook for about a good 30 minutes because you don't want it gooey. Look at that, yummy. Okay, so I went ahead and mixed some condensed milk with the vanilla that came with it, or just a little bit of condensed milk, and I warmed it up in the microwave, and this is what we came up with. Some icing. Yes, yummy. Now let's go ahead and taste it. Get in here. The juices, the peaches. Yum, yum. Let's get some of this crust here. Yum, yum. Okay. Let's go ahead and taste it. Peaches. Thank you so much, guys. Go ahead and make this for the holidays or just because the kids will like it and you will actually love it. Thank you so much, and you have a good day.